Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to find someone on Facebook without knowing their name. So first of all, launch Facebook application, then go to the search option on top, and then in case if you don't know the name of the person, make sure that you know some of the details regarding that person. For instance, the place where they work or the city where they are from. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to type in the name of the city from where that particular person is from. So I'm going to tap for the city called Seattle. Let's search for it and then search for the city. Then go to the option of people. Now over here, you'll come across various search results of people belonging from that specific city. You can also tap on the filter option at the top right corner and then filter people accordingly. You can filter by city, education, work, or even mutual friends if they have any. So for instance, I am going to enter the name of the company where that specific person works. So for instance, I'm going to search for Amazon, then select the company from here and then tap on show results. Now, if you do so, you'll come across various results of people belonging from that company who are from that specific city that you have searched for. So from the search results, if you find the name of that person, just tap on the option of add friend and then you will be able to add that person or find that person without knowing their name. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.